Welcome viewers. In today's video, I'm going to show you the basic tools you need to use in FL Studio in order for you to make music, produce beats, and also mix your vocals. If this is your first time of watching video in my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. Without further ado, let's dive into my FL Studio and I'm going to show you these basic tools that you are going to use in order for us to work. If you are logging to your FL Studio for the first time, you are not going to see something like this. FL Studio is going to display you on a playlist, a place called playlist, and it's going to play a couple of songs for you, which they make as a demo on that package. If that is the first time of installing FL Studio in your system, if that is not the case and you have already used FL Studio, automatically this is what it's going to see. But I'm going to just walk you through some certain buttons on FL Studio and I'll tell you how to use them, because when we are going on deep tutorials on how to make beats, we are going to make use of these things. Okay, this is pattern. This is pattern. What I want you to note the basic note I'm just showing you right now, because when we go further on these videos, I'm going to show you a couple more for you to understand. So this is pattern, and this is song mode. This is play. This is pause. This is record, and this is where you set your tempo. You just right click it and select your tempo. If you want to play on 110 BPM, you can put it. You can play it on anyhow you want to set it, but this is your tempo. This is your metronomes. This is how it goes. This is what you use to time your song. If you want to play beat on this tempo, that is when you actually go in and start to play your beat on that same tempo. So the next thing is piano. If you are playing beat and you want your beat to be a little bit what will I say? If you want a situation where you click your keyboard, it's going to start playing. That is when you enable these knobs, and this one is going to make your keyboard to show like this one is, and this one is going to make your keyboard to be connected. So if you should press, it can give you sound. For instance, let me put something. Okay, we'll get back to that later. So those are the important knobs I can show you right here. Other ones are not that useful, but you can still learn about how to use it. This is line length, time. The way you want your beat to move. If you want it to move in lines where you shift something on your playlist, it's going to shift online. Or you want it to shift on self, you can put it. But we get to know this more in depth when we watch and when we are on playlist. So this is pattern. All the sound you play is going to be here. You can view here to see all the pattern you play. When we are about to do beats, you are going to see how we make use of all these instruments that I'm showing you right now. This is actually our playlist. This is playlist. This playlist, we use it to arrange all the sounds we play in order for us to create song. You know, when we are producing, we are going to play in pattern, then we arrange it in song mode. So that's what you need to take note. And this is our piano roll. Piano roll is where we play all the amazing instruments that we want, all the amazing sounds that we want to hear in our beat. So all these are done in the piano roll by just drawing and be drawing and drawing and drawing and drawing all what you want to play. So this is pattern. Everything, all the sounds you have on your system, all the sound you use to play your beat are going to appear here. So for instance, this was the note I just input in my piano roll and it's appearing in my pattern. So if I should go ahead and add another instrument like this, and I will play it again, and if I want to record it, I can still put it. It's still going to be in part of those pattern. It's going to sound. If I play it, it's going to sound. The reason why I'm playing it and it's not playing is because I enabled this note. So I'll just turn it off so it can play. Understand? So all these things are the basic way for you to understand FL Studios. Now we move ahead to this one. We head over to these other knobs. This other knobs is called the mixer. The mixer is where you track down all your sounds that you record down here. You track down all your sounds and come here. When you track down all the sounds you play, you now come here to add effect on it. You add your plugins, you lower the volume, you increase the volume, any other things you want to do. All those stuff are done in your mixers. And in this, we are going to use this a lot when we are about to start how to mix beat. This is just the basic stuff for you to understand. So when we head over to the next video on how to start basic beat, I'm going to show you a lot more things and you will not get to be confused. And if you want to watch the video, I leave a link in the description of this video, or you will see it around any corner of this video. You can click the link and watch it. Okay, let's move it to another knobs. This is your file. All the sounds you have in your system, you can easily access them through there, through your files. If you see, if I should click it, it's going to close a file in my system. If I should open it, it's going to bring out all these files for me. Now, this is where all my sounds are. If I should click, you hear all my. This is where all my sounds are. This is where all my. Where I can just drag it and drop in my pattern and start to create sounds. These are the basic tools for you to understand on FL Studio. In our next video, I will be showing you how to make beats, the simple approach you need to use in order for you to create effective beats. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like and comment on this video, and do not fail to watch out our next video that we are going to talk about how you can really produce beats. In this tutorial, we are going to start from scratch to mixing and doing every other thing, and all is done in this channel. You check the link on the description of this video, or you check up here, you will see a link that will lead you to a playlist that all the tutorial that we are going to do are going to be put in, because we are in a program for us to build an artist from scratch. So be a part of our program, and I'm going to show you everything you need to do about music production to marketing. Don't fail to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our update. Peace out.